there's no magic bullet, guys. It's just figuring out what you do really good, and especially when the market's struggling as it is now, you cannot panic, you cannot worry. Now is when you need to lean in, do what you do best, and set yourself up for the first quarter of 2024. And everything you do now is gonna dictate your first quarter performance. And if you go on vacations, you don't hit the ground running, you don't roll up your sleeves, you don't become a savage at being a realtor, your first quarter of 2024 is gonna be tough. So you have to dig in now, whatever that looks like. And so it's just, I just know from a very basic standpoint, the top agents are in this room. The top, Coldwell Banker. How can you be a top eight, my opinion, and not go, what's the best thing? Open houses, people come in for free. It's taking candy from a baby. They're looking for houses. What am I? I'm a realtor. You put yourself in the perfect spot. You know, my other strength I get a lot, is I call expired listings. Because I don't mind people yelling at me because they just had a realtor that they suck. And they're just, people that expireds are just pissed off because they had a realtor that didn't help them. You let them vent for 10 minutes, bang, there's a client. So I personally just go after the hottest lead sources where I know people need to go now. And you got to marry that with what Madison, Google AdWords, all the other things you do, because the more antennas you have or tentacles you have out in marketing, whenever you have a market shift, then it doesn't affect you as bad. But if you only have one or two things you do marketing, when the market shifts, if it affects any one of those two things, you're done. And what's the one thing we know that's proven time and time again that always gets clients? Open houses. I'm just telling you guys, it's so easy. And for you people in here who are listing agents, do your own open houses, man.
Or don't let us do it.
Or don't call me. Yeah, because if you call me, I'll sell your house. I'm not kidding. And I'm open to do anybody's open houses all the time. I've been doing this for 30 years. And it's just so easy. What's 3 hours a day to get a client? Think about it, it's really nothing. And as you become better at it, your one client you get from every open house turns into 2, turns into 3. And you're gonna be so good, you're gonna walk away from your open house with 3 clients. You're gonna go, I'm done for the week. And then you find out.
Has anybody ever heard the concept called Dunbar's Law? Anybody know what I'm talking about when I say Dunbar's Law? Dunbar's Law says that the